This is Mom. Can you say Mom? Mom.
Dad.
This is Dad. Can you say Dad?
Dad.
Sister. This is sister. Can you say sister? Sister. Brother. This is brother. Can you say brother?
Brother.
Baby. This is baby. Can you say baby? Baby.
Grandma.
This is grandma. Can you say grandma? Grandma.
This is Grandpa. Can you say Grandpa? Grandpa.
Friend. These are our friends. Can you say friend?
Friend.
Pet. This is our pet. Can you say pet? Pet.
Cook together.
Look, the family is cooking together. Can you say cook together?
Cook together.
Bedtime story. The family is reading together. Can you say bedtime story?
Bedtime story. Clean up.
The siblings are cleaning up their toys. Can you say clean up?
Clean up. Board game.
The family is playing together. Can you say board game?
Board game.
Hug. Everyone is giving hugs. Can you say hug?
Hug.
Thank you. The child says thank you. Can you say thank you? Thank you.